This is a full valet on a VW Tiguan. Before we get into the video, please watch the video all the way through. It would really help the channel loads. I've been trying to improve the content, as in how I film, then how I edit the video clips. This is my third attempt using Premiere Pro, which is a new program to me. I've never used it before, so I'm trying to do it as I go along. So if you watch the video all the way through, it would really help a lot and really support the channel. That would be very much appreciated. I'm not going to do so much of a running commentary on this full valet. It's pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing. The vehicle itself wasn't too bad on the outside, although the inside it was full of pet hair. And the other problem was it had a valet recently, and it had been black dyed on the carpet over pet hair, so it had black dye on top of pet hair, and then the owners had a pet, and so it had pet hair on top of the black dye, so it just took a while to sort of get that all the pet hair out, and obviously because it had a recent valet and the carpet had been dyed, the crevice tool was very grippy, and also it sort of limits with the shampooing. I don't know if there's any other valeters watching this, but if you go to a vehicle that's been previously black dyed on the carpet and you go to do shampooing, it just seems earlier. I'm trying to improve the quality of the videos that I'm doing. I'm a little bit limited using my mobile phone, and also if I'm out doing vehicles on the side of the road, sort of having the camera on a tripod, it might be a little bit dicey, having it on sort of a path where people are walking around, getting, it could potentially get knocked over, I suppose. So here's the trusty Aquarius Pro valet machine for the shampooing of the seats. So on this video I haven't, I'm just doing snippets of what I do regarding the full valet. I'm not going to record all the four corners and the boot of all the hoovering and shampooing. The video would be quite long, and previously I've uploaded quite long videos doing that, and they haven't had sort of very much success in the viewing time, so I'm trying to sort of cut the videos down a bit to keep people interested, and hopefully as time goes on my videos will be the quality of the actual recording, and the editing will improve over time, which I'm hoping it does. And this is my third attempt using Premiere Pro. Previous one was the Audi TT, and I think there was another one before that. I can't think what it was off the top of my head. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please consider leaving a comment, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It would help a lot, it really would, and it would show support, which would be very much appreciated. I'll let you carry on watching the video. Thank you.